Okay, welcome back to another episode of Programming Screeps. Last time we're automatically building the extensions, construction sites, but we're not building them yet with our builders, so let's get that done. In between episodes, I did update the logging to say how many extensions I've built. So it says 0 out of 10. Just a simple little thing. Anyway, so inside the builder guy, I already have a function called build if can, which looks at construction sites and builds them. I just need to call this. So here I'm looking for a target. So I'm using the energy. If I have something assigned, then I'm good. If I don't have something assigned, then I'm going to look for a new structure to fill up. And if I don't have one, then I will mark, so right here I will say if build if can room creep memory. So build if can, I think, already returns a boolean to say if you did build. So it returns true if I did build or found a construction site. Turns false otherwise. Do I already have construction sites inside Room Manager? I probably do. I'm not sure. Yeah, I do. So I can use that. Room Manager construction sites. So we'll build the first construction site there. Let's also do the same in our miner, because I think our miner is also trying to build, if I recall. Yeah, he's only trying to build container versions though. So that should be okay. We'll let him only build containers, that's fine. Alright. He doesn't do that very often anyways. Alright. Yeah. Wait, let's go back to the miner. Go look at him. But when is build if can called? Upgrading controller. So he's doing custom stuff. So there's no target. There should be a target if there's a source container. Yeah, so as long as there's a source container, he's not building. So I don't have to worry about him. So anyways, this guy is saying, okay, if he can build, then he's gonna stop. Otherwise he's upgrading the controller. That should be okay, I suppose. I'm not marking that I'm building or assigning a build dude to him. But it should be alright. Let's just try this. It's not very stable in terms of what they're building. It's kind of random. I should always sort by like target. I like sort it. Construction sites. Let's see. Sort. I wonder if I can sort arrays. Should be able to. Construction site. ID. I'll just sort it by ID. So they're all trying to build, in theory, that guy down there. At least he's not, he's just not being random. All right. Let's also increase our tech level. So once we have num extensions to build. Number. So if num extensions to build is less than rm, let's see, less than is less than this. So if the number of extensions we have is less than number to build, we'll return 4. Otherwise, we'll return 5. So we'll be at 5 when we have all the extensions built. Yeah, maybe I should build it 3 away from the source. Because don't like how it's navigating around. Get optimal build extension. So sources 3 away. Destroy this guy. So those are all good. And this is just energy that's going to go away. It's looking pretty good so far. Alright, while it's doing that, I want to bring in the logic to build roads, since that's another fun thing to do. Inside our worker we have road building, try to build road. So let's put this in our builder class. We don't need to export the build if can. Try to build road. So we'll say if game.time every 10 ticks, we'll look at that. Let's see. Roads built. Log.info. Copy this garbage. Let's see, he's in range 2. I don't know if we really need to do that. I'll just say if rm.tech level equals greater or equal to 5, then we'll build the road. cm.m.creep memory. Build if can. Try to build road. Yeah, we'll just do that, I think, all the time, not just in use energy. Room memory, creep room, creep memory. So the one thing I should probably do is note that builds this tick. Error code is never dot const triple equals so I'm only going to build one row at a time, just so I don't flood it. Yeah, I wonder if I should even say the number of construction sites. We'll try this logic first. I could even stop it to say the number of construction sites have to be 0. I should get to tech level 5 pretty soon. Almost 3 more left. I like this private server. It goes way faster than the real game. The real game, every tick is like 5 seconds. And when I was playing, it was nuts. Like you literally come back the next day and see what happens. At least this thing, you can actually watch it. And it's not too boring. And you can just take this code and put it online to do the multiplayer stuff. I just find this part pretty fun anyway, just even the single player version of the game. I wonder if renew creep is worth it. I'll have to read about that. Or if it's worth it just to let them die and rebuild them. The other thing I can do is now build bigger dudes. At tech level 5. Alright, we're at tech level 5 now. Nice. We're starting to place roads. Yeah, they come online pretty fast. It's coming online at a reasonable rate. I just didn't want a gazillion construction sites and nothing ever gets built. I should look at the logic for upgrade and figure out, Because they're trying to upgrade the this controller. See, in the minor says if ticks to downgrade is turn false. It's not equal to null. Room. Something like that. Let's see. Why does it not like me? Oh, there's already an argument called room. Don't need 2 rooms, huh? It's not equal to null. It can be undefined, not equal to undefined. I think I have a lot of ticks to downgrade. Yeah. That'll be a while. So now you gotta repair this dumb road too. So other things you gotta do. They kind of just naturally spread road everywhere they travel. So it kind of just leaves a mess of road everywhere, but whatever. I wonder if it should say if upgrading the controller, then don't bother building the road. I don't know. I guess it's okay the way it is. It's just they're never going to make it until this road's built. But they're slowly getting their way there. We should also build the logic in to repair everything, because that's another thing we gotta do. Repair. So how did we get the job? Repair. Repair task, queue repair tasks. So we looked at all the structures. If it's not a road and has less than 50 hit points, then queue it up. And desired wall hit points, repair the wall. Structures. Damage ramparts. Max Road. To repair. This is all weird code. I have it commented out, which is kind of suspicious. Did I put it somewhere else? I left this game in kind of a broken state, I think. This old code I did. Tower. I do have tower code to repair. Repair. Most damaged road. Structure's not structure type of road. The heck kind of code am I doing? It's definitely not a road if I have this kind of line in there. Okay, so I'm continuing if it's not a road. So there. Looking at that. Getting the most damaged road. Structures. Just looking through all the structures. I almost think you just want to repair the stuff underneath your feet. You know, repair all the structures except the roads. And then just repair the road underneath your feet. That way, if a road gets built far away, it doesn't really matter, just a case. So let's see if we can build that logic in. So we already have the structures inside this room manager dude. Non-road needing repair. Not road needing repair. So structure is not structure road. if turn false, if, let's look at this old code. Structure, most damaged wall. If it's greater than 50, return true. Something like that. And let's just log it out. Not road length. So I know at least the container should be requiring some repair. Yep, looks like I have two. So let's go to the builder guy and say if repair if can, room, creep memory, return. Let's go into here, get rid of this, go back here, and we'll say it's greater than 1,000, then you're allowed to do these things. If it's less than 1,000, it's going to define the target. So I don't even want to move it. Repair if can. This is similar to build if can. Alright, so if not road needing repair is greater than 0, then we'll just do this kind of stuff and return true, otherwise we'll return false, and we'll call creep.repair, and we'll do the first one. And let's go over here and sort it so it doesn't jump around on us. So in theory, these dudes should get repaired pretty soon. He's got 35,000 hits. There he goes. He's getting repaired up. And this one's getting repaired up. Alright, let's also repair only if it's greater than let's see, times point. If it's like 25% of its health is damaged. Something like that. Okay, that should be working in theory. Alright, so now I gotta say, let's try to repair the road underneath by feet as well. Close that folder. So where do I want to do that? Do I want to do it in this function? Probably. It's fine. And let's say, so where do we get the wall thing from? So search and pause. Maybe don't need all this probably. Creep.pause. Look for structure. So look for structures. Structures. Structures under feet. That's not a string. Let's see. Filter. Roads under feet. Road. Structure road. If dot length is greater than 0. If dot length is greater than 0, if roads under feet sub 0 dot hits plus 50 is less than hits max. Let repair target is structure or undefined. Repair target equals this dude. If repair target is equal to undefined, and do this crap. If repair target is equal to undefined, and do this crap, then repair target is equal to undefined. If repair target is equal to undefined, and do this crap. If repair target is equal to undefined, and do this crap. If repair target is equal to undefined, and do this crap. If repair target is defined, then do this. And use the repair target. And then set this as the repair target. All right. So in theory, this should be repairing the roads underneath their feet. Yeah, it's repaired up. Yeah, see, they're blinking. They're spending a bunch of energy just repairing. And the good thing is, if they don't go back to that road, it just decays and it doesn't matter. Let's see, let's set the tick rate a bit faster. Because a lot of this is just road buildup. We're still not building bigger creeps, so we'll do that next time. Now that we got our road infrastructure in place. Yeah, it looks like it's working out pretty well. Alright, I think that's a good stopping point. Thanks for watching. See you next time.